the depths of my mind where melodies are born. I feel the rhythm pulsing, the symphony takes form. Notes dancing in harmony and melodies untold. A canvas of emotions waiting to unfold. I pick up my pen and let the words come alive. Every line I write, a story to survive. Instruments start playing, each sound a brushstroke. A masterpiece in progress, a creation bespoke. Step by step, we paint the canvas of our dreams. A symphony of passion flowing through the streets. From composing to producing,